Hey guys, this is Michael WWX123 here, and this is going to be a playtest and review about the Nike Mercurial Vapor X. This colorway is from the Lightning Storm pack, and it is all pink and black, so just sit back and enjoy the video. The tongueless upper features ultra thin Tajin synthetic that comfort to the shape of your foot for a second skin fit. If the Vapor X feels tight at first, then it just needs to be broken in, and then it will somehow be more comfortable later on. Out of all the shoes that I've worn, this is so far the most thinnest upper that you can get too close to barefoot like touch. The upper helps grip the ball for excellent touch, and all conditions control technology provides consistent control in wet or dry conditions. The outsole is very lightweight because it is more like a compressed nylon material. The vapor traction gives you more like a responsive feel when you do lateral cuts as well. Out of all the shoes that I've worn, this is so far the most thinnest upper and the most lightweight shoe that I've worn so far. Overall, the Nike Mercurial Vapor X is a great quality shoe. Like and subscribe, it will be greatly appreciated, and thanks for watching.